today we're gonna do easy style one pot cooking. Let's get some ingredients. That's the size.
ครึ่งโลแล้วครับ50 บาทพอดีครับเดี๋ยวเรา50
So we got shiitake mushroom, bean paste, and pork seasoning. Ginger, look how big this is. อันนี้ขายยังไงคะโลละ80 80 บาทต่อกิโล 3 for 10 บาท
เค็มเล็กนี่อร่อย
เค็มเล็กนะคะ
ใช่
This is Thai garlic, have nice aroma. Now that we got everything, let's go back to my kitchen. Back to my kitchen. Today khao man gai is one pot. Khao man gai. Khao man gai is chicken and rice. I got everything all set up. The first step, we're going to make the soup. Now for any of you, if you don't like to have your soup with it, you can go ahead and jump this step. And for the soup that I'm gonna make is just a chicken broth. I have boiled water over here now. I'm gonna add some herb and chicken bone. Add chicken bone in. Winter melon. Shiitake mushroom. This one is the sauce for the broth. Pha sai. For the soup, it will take around 30 to 45 minutes. We will cook until the winter melon is soft. And while we're doing that, let's just get started on making our dipping sauce. For the dipping sauce, this is the ingredient you need. Coriander root, garlic, ginger, brown sugar, this texture. Chicken broth, bean paste. Now you can use miso paste, work the same. Sweet dark soy sauce just for color. White vinegar, plum sugar, and lime. Add everything into the blender except the brown sugar and lime juice. Did I mention light soy sauce? Vinegar. A little bit for color. Now blend everything together. This step is optional, but I'm gonna heat my one up to make the sauce last longer. You don't need to do this, but if you're gonna eat right away. You can add your sugar in now. Turn the heat off. See if it's nice color as you like. Then I add lime. And that's all done for the sauce. As for the soup boiling, you can see there's a foam up here. I just want to scoop that out and throw it away. Did you see the chicken oil that come out? You can save that one to cook the rice. I'm gonna save that one. But get the foam away. It's gonna make the water cloudy. Let's seasoning with a little bit of Rosdee pork seasoning. To check if the winter melon is ready, you can see their color. If they're clear, it means they're cooked. Or you want to double sure, you can cut it. Okay, the winter melon is cooked. We got our soup now. Let's cook some rice. This is when we add our chicken oil. Careful, there's a little bit of soup in there. That's a chicken oil that we scoop it out. We just wait for the water to dissolve a little bit. If you don't like, if you didn't make a soup, you can use a chicken skin, saute with water and salt until you get that oil. Or you can just go with any kind of oil that you have in your kitchen. You can hear the sizzling is now gone. We add our garlic and shallot. This one been smashed it. You can chop it. Stir fry until fragrant. With ginger and coriander root. The rice I have been rinsing in water and dry them out. Now mix oil and rice together until they combine. Make sure you escape that garlic underneath. Make sure you get every bit out of the pot. If in the beginning you didn't do the soup, go ahead and add some pork seasoning or pha Thai sauce. Now we add our soup. Stir fry it well. Add our chicken. Just lay it on top like that. This is a boneless thigh. Now close the lid. I'm going to use a rice cooker set up 12 minutes. Ready now, but this is careful part. Let's have a look. Wow! Nicely cooked. Let's put everything in a plate and let's eat. Oh wow, nice. Let's get the chicken out first. The rice cooked amazing. Gonna flip the rice to make sure they're not like mushy together, but do it gently. Okay. Now that we got everything, let's put everything into plate and let's eat. I'm so excited. Okay, first we need to get rice into a plate. Khao man, this one called khao man, guys. Don't forget to take this one out. Let's cut some chicken. Rice and chicken, you need to chop the chicken. Don't slide it, you need to chop it. Like that. And some of the shop will be like, try to flap the chicken, but I like it to be like this. Get some sauce. And for the soup, you just sprinkle the coriander on top like that. Ready? Let's try some chicken first. Must have with cucumber. Let's try with some soup. A little bit of winter melon. so good อร่อยอร่อยอร่อย It have more that chicken cooked perfect nice and soft cooked through rice a little bit too soft because I add a little bit more soup than I choose but anyway keep in mind that if you boil the chicken with it I'll leave the ingredient out down below and the chicken will release the water so I'm just gonna keep that rice in the rice cooker for it to continue to dry the rice a little bit I hope you guys enjoy this easy and one pot cookie khao man gai or chicken and rice or if you're here in Thailand you don't want to cook chicken and rice is everywhere that is like our go-to lunch my favorite of all time I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do try recipe out, don't forget to let me know what do you think about this dish. Until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.